Okay, so this is basically what I would call the back door. You come in here and here's the first little small bedroom. Definitely needs touched up in the paint. It's just some scuff marks, nothing major. Just needs painted over, sanded down and painted over. That's a small little closet area under a stairwell. Hanging rod there. And come back out here. And here's a pantry closet or a coat closet. And this is space for the washer and dryer. This opens up into the living room area. Nice large open area. Connected to your kitchen here. Kind of like a breakfast nook on this side. We can put some stools over here. Have a little eating area as well, and this space is large enough for a pool table. Could put a pool table right here. That is a shelf actually along the wall, not just a chair rail, so store some things up here. Oh, let's point out these windows on this wall, letting in some natural light as well. Spinning y'all around here. Look back at where we just walked in from, and here is kind of an entryway that actually leads out to, a lot of people call it a Florida room, indoor porch. Could be considered a screen porch, I guess, if you want to open the windows and just let the breeze blow through the screen. Here's screens in here. It's really nice area right here, and then there's still a patio out here that goes out into the backyard. Little fire pile there. Okay. Here we go.